What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to add link to a web page. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, I put exclamation doc type HTML, doc type HTML, and after that start with HTML. Whatever we start with, we have to finish that with same thing, but let's go by step, like I'm going to end it anyway at the end. Okay, after this HTML we will have head, then we will have the title. Let's put the title as this is the title. This is the title, and that should finish with / title, and whatever we started previously we have to end everything. Head, I have to finish that one too, so to finish that one / head, and after that I'm going to create a body. In the body we are going to create a link. In the body, to create a link, what we have to do is just put a, and after that href equal to, I'm going to put the link of Google, so href http google.com. okay, now finish this one, and we can say this will be a link. This will be a link, and finish that one with /a. okay, here you have to close this one. Okay, now we have to finish this body, so /body, and after that we have to finish the HTML also, /HTML, and that's it. Now let's serve this one. File serve, and this is served. Now let's open this index and see what we get. And here you can see this will be a link, and here we are getting a okay, something wrong here. Actually this shouldn't be, this a shouldn't be closed. Let me serve again and run this again. Now you can see it says this will be a link, and when I click this link it will go to Google. Let me minimize so you can see clearly. Okay, now when I click that link, this will be a link. When I click that link it will go to Google. Okay, now that is the way to add link to this. Now we are going to see how we can create another page, another web page, and we can connect the second page link to the first page. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, let's keep this one as it is, and I'm going to create another page. To do that I create file. Okay, create file new. So here we have another one. Let's copy paste this one, copy and paste it right here, paste it HTML. This is the title, and I'm gonna say this is second page. So this one is second page, and after that in the body I'm going to type this is the second page. Second page, and that's it. This is the second page. Now let's serve this one. Serve this one as second.html. serve use HTML replace. Okay, here I have second page. Now I'm going to connect the first page to the second page. So here we have href equal to google.com, but if you want to connect to the second page, you have to type here second.html. Okay, let's open the second page and see what we get. When you open second page, it says this is the second page, and when you open the first page, we have the Google link, previous Google link. Now if I change this one, second.html, and this will link to the second page. Let's write this will link to the second page, and let's save this. Okay, index, and this will link to the second page. When I click this is the second page. You can see we have done both of them. Okay, that's how we can connect links, connect two page links, and how to create links, those things. Okay, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn XHTML and CSS, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too. And also, if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.